You've probably heard about SafePal if you're getting into crypto, but most people download it and then feel lost in the interface. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use the SafePal app step by step in under 2 minutes. No confusion, no technical jargon. First, download SafePal from the App Store or Play Store and open the app. Tap Create Wallet if you're new, or Import Wallet if you already have recovery phrases from another wallet. Now this part is serious. The app will show you a recovery phrase. Write these words down on paper immediately. Do not screenshot it. Do not save it in notes. Whoever has this phrase controls your crypto permanently. After confirming the recovery phrase, your wallet is created. On the home screen, you'll see different cryptocurrencies. Tap Receive if you want someone to send you crypto. Copy your wallet address or scan the QR code. If you want to send crypto, tap Send, paste the receiver's address, choose the amount, and confirm the transaction. Always double-check the address before sending because crypto transactions cannot be reversed. Next, open the Discover or dApp section. This is where you connect to decentralized apps, swap tokens, or explore Web3 features directly from SafePal. You can also use the swap option to exchange one crypto for another without leaving the wallet. Now, quick reality check. SafePal is a non-custodial wallet. That means you control everything, but it also means if you lose your recovery phrase, nobody can recover your funds. No support team, no reset option. This video is only for educational purposes and not financial advice. Always do your own research before using any crypto wallet or investing money. So is SafePal worth using? If you want full control over your crypto and access to Web3 in one place, it's solid. But it requires responsibility. One mistake can cost real money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.